Hey everyone, CPO here, and in this video I'm going to show you this guy. This is the stealth handle from Badger Wheel, and when I knew I was going to get an XR, I did a lot of research into the different carry handle options. I looked at tons of review videos, tons of install videos, and actually this is the one I settled on, and it's not a very common choice. There's very little info about it actually out there. So I thought I would do this video to show you how the install worked for me, and it did not go as expected. Wasn't quite as easy as I thought it was going to be, but I do have a couple lessons learned that I can share with you, and I'll show you kind of by disassembling it first, and then I'll reassemble it and show you what I had to do to get that to happen. But anyway, it's a really lightweight yet sturdy carry handle. It stays out of the way when not in use. And what I liked about it is it sits on top of the rail here. A lot of the carry handles hang off onto the side, and I really didn't like that as much. I like this one because it's sort of tucked up out of the way. So anyway, that's it. This is from badgerwheel.com. They're the ones that also make the waterproofing kits for these Onewheels. And they have this handle. It's stealth handle with a hex grip, and it's like a foam grip. So it's super comfortable. It's got a Kevlar rope that retracts automatically, and the hooks that hold it, all the weight, are supposed to be carbon fiber. So yeah, I mean, I haven't had it for very long, but so far I like it a lot. All right, so as I disassemble this, I will tell you it didn't go on quite as simple as I thought, but here's a couple lessons learned. First of all, this is on the side opposite of the inflation valve on the tire. And I found it's best for me to assemble it in two different parts as I'm disassembling it in two different parts. Now there's a Velcro strip here that goes on the axle. I wish it was a little bit higher. In hindsight, I would probably put a double stick tape underneath that and then that to raise it. But what I found is these hooks latch under the rail, and because of the cable for the controller, there's only one place it can go on this side. Like there's only one spot big enough with a gap for that. But on the other side, I've got room to sort of put that wherever it needs to go. So it sort of went into only one place and not quite as adjustable as I had expected it to be. I found by hooking the clips in first and then slipping this bottom piece in between made it a lot easier to get it hooked. So I'm basically wedging it into place. And then it's got this little cover that once you get it all pushed together, you can take that cover piece and then clip it over the edges. Now I'm trying to Velcro it here, but the Velcro was just too low. So like I said, if I take this off again, I'm gonna raise that Velcro up a little bit. So now I can use the base, the 3D printed little piece, to determine what position this other clip should go. And then same thing, clipping it into the rail and then sort of wedging it together with this other piece and then closing it up. And it actually works great. The handle is offset to the rear, which is perfect because the battery is heavier. So it balances the weight best, I think, by being offset towards the rear this way. And you can see here, once I pick it up, and it is heavy, right? Once I pick it up though, it holds nice and balanced and straight. So yeah, that's it. That is my installation video and tips. And now here's some more obligatory me using the product type footage. All right guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.